Hi, this is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru, and today I'm going to tell you how you can turbocharge your Google Plus local listing to get lots of free traffic from the front page of a Google search. And some of you have recently watched my updated Only 3 Ways to be Found on the Front Page of Google, where I talk about Google AdWords here, search engine optimization, and then here Google Plus Local. Well, this one is all about the Google Plus Local and how it all works. And I've been waiting, better part of almost a year to be able to get this stuff out because Google started out with the local business center, then they went to Google Places. Now they've morphed things to Google Plus Local, and they have maybe done that to your Places listing without you even knowing. And how do I know this? Because that's what they did to me. And I'm going to show you how bad it is, what they did, and how you can fix it. And even as a complete surprise at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Google to call you and help you work live human being on the telephone. Believe it or not. So here we are. I've done my search for Brisbane florists, and again, the pay-per-click SEO. Here are the free listings, and you can see the Google Plus pages are here, and they allow you to have street view and all sorts of information. Now, let me just show you my Google Places listing for Aussie Web. So here's my Google Places listing for Aussie Web that I had. Here's Aussie Web Nariel Street. It showed the areas that I covered. It gave me my website, a description, areas served, hours of operations, payment types. I had lots of different pictures, videos. All this stuff was on my listing. And I had a very, very powerful and successful Google Places listing. But let's take a look at what they've done to me. Unbeknownst to me, as I was putting together this video, if I now search for my Aussie Web in Nariel Street, sure enough, I'm here. You saw all that information I had, but if I now look at my listing and I click on more information, does it take me to my old Places listing? No, siree. It takes me to this new Google Plus local listing, and it brought some of the images across, my map, a little bit of some reviews, and that's it. My hours of operations aren't there, my payment types are no longer there, my videos are gone, and this listing doesn't rank well, and I don't get a lot of free traffic from it. So I was pretty unhappy about that. So what you need to do is actually take the information from your old Places listing and add it and create a Google Plus listing. So how do you do that? Well, the first thing you should do is go to this page, which is support.google.com/plus/plus or plus/answer/1713911 $HL = EN, and you end up with this: create a local plus page. Now, understand, if you just Google create a local Google Plus page, you'll get to the same thing as well. And here you'll get a 10-step process that takes you through. The key things to understand about this is, first of all, you must have a Google Plus personal Google Plus social page. Google forces you to do that, a Google Plus profile. But unlike the old days when you were on Google Places and you claimed your Google Places with your email address, you could never transfer it or never have anybody else manage it. Google Plus pages, you can now assign managers to it to look after it, and you don't have to give away your personal information. So, but you do need a Google Plus profile. It will, when you sign into Google, it'll see whether you got one and use it or not. And if I go to sign in, it'll already show you mine, so I've got one, so I'm in. But you, if you don't have one, it will ask you to create one, right? Then on the left-hand side for the navigation, you're going to click on, don't click on local, click on pages. And then click create a page, and you're going to create a local business or a place page. Make sure you do that, not company, business, or brand. And you locate it by putting in your phone number. And it will, in fact, bring over the information if you previously had a Google Places page, right? And then you can cut and paste all the information you had from your old Google Places page to your new Google Plus page. And let me go into mine here. I'll just go into manage this page. And you can see that it has statistics. It's got all the things that you lost when Google Places got killed. You get here. Here it's showing I'm only 85% complete. And it even tells me that I'm missing hours of operations. It didn't bring that across. And I can add other managers to work on my site. So I can add and configure and do all the stuff I need. I can even post social media messages here, videos, YouTube, everything I want. This is going to make your what was your good Google Places pages that got killed into Google Plus local pages that will get found, will get indexed, and you'll get that free traffic back again. So you just follow down this system here, and away you go. Now, a couple of other things that I've done in the process on this. Oh yes, here we go. I warned you about this up front, and here it is. If in your Google Places area, you click on the Help screen, it will actually bring up, and you click on Contact Us, as long as it's between the hours of 9 to 5 on the west coast of California, it will bring up your ability to talk to a specialist. It will pre-propagate your name and your email address that your profile is connected to. It will know you're in Australia. You can then put in your mobile or your business number here, hit Call Me, and within 60 seconds you will get a live phone call from the Googleplex in Mountain View, California, a live human being to talk you through and help you with this process. Unbelievable, but true. It actually works. So go ahead and do that. Get your help if you need it. But it has to be between 9 and 5 California, USA time. Okay? And I do have another one. Here's another one with a step-by-step video. It's 17 minutes long, but you can find the address up here. It's on YouTube, and you can see that address. Just copy that address and put it into YouTube, and you'll see this beautiful Matthew Hunt that actually takes you through a step-by-step of transitioning from Google Places to Google Plus Local. I highly recommend it. Otherwise, like I said, if you just follow the steps that are here, you'll be right the same way. This is why you probably haven't been succeeding or haven't been getting the free traffic from places you used to get, because they've merged it with Google Plus Local. By the way, the same form is used for creating one from scratch if you're not found when you search for your phone number. That's there as well. And one last benefit to you. If you go to Moz, which used to be SEO Moz, but moz.com/local-search-ranking-factors, you will end up on David Milne's unbelievable information of the survey of all of the things that help your Google Plus Local page rank better. And these are the world's industry best minds working on this, and they're telling you things that are do's and don'ts about your place pages to get them, or Google Plus Local pages, to get them found. These are all the contributing authors. These are the best people in the world. This used to come out every year. It's just been released in August 2013, so I'll have to update this again next year. But this is a way to maximize your Google Plus Local page. If you go through the process that, like I showed you before, and you're in your dashboard and you get to 100%, you're probably there anyway. But it's just some more backup information for you that are data hungry. I hope this helps you. Do remember there's only 3 ways to get found on the front page of Google. You either pay for it, you use search engine optimization that's compliant with the Penguin and Panda update, or you get your Google Plus Local listing up. And if you've been losing traffic from these free areas, it's because your Places page has migrated across and you haven't optimized it. Now you know how. Hope this helps. This is Monte Huebsch, the Google Guru. Until next time, thanks for watching.